Veterans, I salute and thank you for your service. My name is Kenia Costa with Prime Lending, and one of the many benefits veterans receive is a very favorable program from the government called VA loans. VA loans making getting a home much easier and much more affordable, and it is one of the best programs out there. But there are a few important things you need to know because there are some misconceptions and misunderstandings. So whether you're ready to buy a house now or will be in the future, pay close attention because this can help you out. Number one, are you even eligible for a VA loan? Just because you served in the military doesn't mean you are eligible for a VA loan. There is a minimum service required. And do you have your Certificate of Eligibility or COE yet? If not, you can easily obtain through the VA website, and there is a chance you may be asked to provide a statement of service if you are still in service, or your DD-214 if you have been discharged from service. Your COE, Certificate of Eligibility, will tell us how much you are entitled for and if you are exempted of the VA funding fee. If you have at least 10% disability, you should be exempted of paying the funding fee. Number two, how much money down do I need? Zero. You can buy a house with 100% financing up to the loan amount limit for your county. You can even buy a 4-unit property, live in 1 unit, rent the other 3 and have some income stream. This is a huge benefit. And as a veteran, you've earned it. Now, just because you're not putting money down, it doesn't mean you don't need funds for closing. There are some closing costs involved with the loan. But don't worry, there are some ways around that too. For example, you could ask for a seller contribution, or it can be a gift, or you can also try to obtain closing cost assistance if it is available in your county or your city. Property types can be single-family homes, condos and townhomes if they are VA qualified, manufactured homes too if they meet the lender's criteria. Don't have great credit? Good news. The VA allows a very low FICO score. We can go as low as 580. But not all lenders will have the same requirements. Number 3, can I use my VA loan benefits more than once? Absolutely. If you currently own a house with a VA loan and you sell it, your entitlement is fully restored. You can even sell and buy a new home at the same time. And another question I get a lot is, can I have 2 VA loans at the same time? It is very possible. And here's an example. If you want a house in a different city or state and you don't want to sell it, we can check if you have any entitlement left to purchase a new home also using your VA benefits. In some cases, you might be required a down payment depending how much entitlement is left. Still, it is an easy process. Understand this though. A VA loan is a full doc program. That means you still have to qualify for it based on your income, assets, and credit. The VA wants to make sure you'll be able to afford the payments. But it is still one of the best loan programs available, period. Finally, I know we are talking about purchases, but the VA also makes it very easy to refinance your current VA loan. Even if the property you initially bought as your primary and now you have as an investment property or a second home, the VA will allow you to refinance these types of properties too. Hopefully this has been helpful. As a veteran of our great country, you deserve the best treatment and options. And I hope I've helped shed some light on what you need to know to take advantage of this amazing program. Just as you served our country, I do these videos to serve my clients, communities, and you, our proud veterans. Please, if you have any questions or feel that now is a good time to explore your options, give me a call at 529-7259 or visit my website and complete a few short questions and I'll get right back to you. And if you know of any other veterans who might find this video useful, please don't hesitate to share it with them. Thank you for your service, and I hope I can serve you someday too. I'm Kenia Costa from Prime Lending. Talk to you soon.